How to transfer USDT between Binance accounts. First, open your Binance account and in your dashboard, click Deposit. Then click Deposit Crypto. Once you are here, simply follow these 3 steps. Select a coin, select a network, and deposit address. Now, in selecting a coin, make sure to type in USDT since that is what we're trying to do in transfer here. Now, as for selecting the network, make sure that the network is accurate to what you're trying to transfer. For example, here we will select BSC. When you transfer, make sure to also select BSC since that is what we will select here. Once you already put a network, a deposit address should appear. This deposit address is what you will need to transfer the amount later. So copy this address by clicking this button. And once you're done, go back to your dashboard and then click on your profile in the upper portion. Click on Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Once you're in this page, scroll down to find USDT and then you can select Withdraw in the right portion. Here you can see Buy, Sell, Deposit, Withdraw, Earn, and Convert. But let's select Withdraw for USDT. Once you select that, you will see this page. Now, you can simply paste the address that we copied earlier here in this portion. Then select a network. Remember to make sure to select the right network that we chose earlier to avoid problems in the future. Since we have selected BSC, let's select BSC again now. Once you are done, we can now fill out the rest of the information, for example, the withdraw amount, and you will be able to see the network fee. And once you are done, just click withdraw in the lower part. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.